How's it going, everyone? Meteorologist Mike Brookins here, and by now you probably have heard of the East Coast blizzard. This one snuck up on us in the last couple of days. It's really going to strengthen and intensify as it hits the East Coast. There will be some impacts as far as central New York during the day Monday. We've got more threatening weather advisories over Pennsylvania, and then Monday night into Tuesday, this really strengthens on the East Coast. They are under blizzard warnings. New York City to Hartford, over to Providence, Boston to Portland. Wherever you see that gray, blizzard warning. We also have a winter storm watch for Otsego County in central New York. That's the only area. Looking at the temperature Sunday, we were topping out at 31 degrees. It was 34 in Watertown, 32 in Cortland. Pretty close to what is typical for this time of the year. Upper 20s up towards Saranac Lake. That 31, right where we should be. The low last night was 14. 15 is the normal, so right on target. Records 70 and minus 15. A lot of weather to get through, so let's cut to the chase. We're going to break it down for tonight, Monday night, and then talk about Tuesday. Tonight, our first concern is the temperature. It's going to be a dry night, but it is going to be a cold night at that. Skies start out clear, and we're going to fall quickly this evening into the single digits and eventually close to zero in many locations. I think we stay above that for Syracuse. There may be some light snow moving into the southern and southwestern Finger Lakes towards sunrise with up to an inch of accumulation. Steady light snow does develop late morning here in Syracuse. It'll be already ongoing in through the Finger Lakes, and that's why you'll probably have the higher amounts in this trace to 3 inches. In the Finger Lakes, 2-3 inches of snow. In Syracuse, 1 to 2 inches of snow. When you get to the North Country and the Adirondacks, the snow doesn't arrive until the mid-afternoon in some spots, and it will be light. So I'm thinking only a trace to an inch up there. Not a big impact Monday. Monday night, light snow showers. There'll be some periods of snow gradually weakening. There will be some heavier snow developing well southeast of Onondaga County, specifically Otsego County in our viewing area, and especially when you go into the Catskills, eastern New York and downstate New York. Let's show you the futurecast as we go through the overnight. Thickening clouds, cold but dry in most spots. This snow is a little faster than what I'm thinking, probably not reaching the ground at first either, but by late morning we should have it in Syracuse. A steady light snow through the midday and afternoon. This will add up to an inch or two, so the roads could be snow covered. Then the periods of light snow will gradually taper to snow showers. East Coast system really develops, pushes some heavier snow into Otsego County, maybe southern Herkimer, Shenango, eastern Madison County. Tuesday, there'll be more snow east of Syracuse, less to the west. Snowfall accumulation. This is just one computer model, and notice how it does bring some snow into central New York, then it blows up on the East Coast. Amazing amounts. This could be a historic one from New York up to Boston, but in Syracuse, much less impact. I'm only going to give the snowfall forecast amounts through Monday night. Tuesday, it's still questionable. This thing could really change, so I'm not going to go give you a 3 or 4 day snowfall total and try to scare people. Tonight, though, it's pretty quiet. We will eventually drop down to 4 and then rise late at night, so it's cold. Tomorrow, morning commute in Onondaga County should be dry. But by 9-10, we should see the light snow moving on in. 1 to 2 inches, most spots including Syracuse. A little bit more in the Finger Lakes. Some snow-covered roads here during the PM hours. 19, our cold high temperature. Then tomorrow night, a trace to 3 inches Monday night. We'll find those periods of light snow tapering to scattered snow showers down to 12. 18 and breezy for Tuesday. Tuesday, early indications are we'll find anywhere from 1 to 6 inches of snow, the higher amounts being well east-southeast. 18, improving Wednesday.